In the previous lecture, we have calculated the deflection of a CST element. In this lecture, we are going to solve a problem on calculation of element strain for CST element. So here I have considered a CST element. So the numbering is 1, 2, 3 and the coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So the equation for calculating the element strain is E is equal to B into U. So here E is the element strains. Okay, so we'll have Ex, Ey and gamma xy, that is equal to the strain displacement matrix B matrix times the U vector. So U is here at node 1 you will have U1 V1, at node 2 we'll have U2 V2 and at node 3 we'll have U3 and V3. Okay, so here it is U1 V1, U2 V2, U3 and V3. So this is the equation for calculating the element strain, and we know that for B matrix the equation is 1 by 2a and the 6 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so here we know the equations for beta and gamma. Okay, so this is a simple problem and you can easily calculate the element strain once after calculating the B matrix. So the problem is calculate the element strains for the CST element shown in figure. The nodal displacements are given by, so in the problem they will specify the nodal displacements, that is U1, V1, U2, V2, U3, V3, they have specified it and all the dimensions are given in mm. So this is the given CST element. So the coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So always number your nodes in counterclockwise direction. So don't go in clockwise direction, always prefer counterclockwise direction of numbering. So if it is not given, so if it is given directly you can select it. If it is not given, then you can go in the counterclockwise direction like this 1, 2 and 3. And the nodal displacements are, here we will have U1, V1, here it is U2, V2 and at node 3 we will have U3 and V3. So all the displacements are given. The equation for calculating strain is E is equal to B matrix times your U vector. Okay, so we know the U vector value. So once if you calculate the value of B, then you can calculate the element strain. Okay, so first we'll calculate the B matrix. So the equation for B matrix is 1 by 2a, beta 1 0, beta 2 0, beta 3 0, then 0, gamma 1, 0, gamma 2, 0, gamma 3, then gamma 1, beta 1, gamma 2, beta 2, gamma 3, beta 3. And we know the equation for area is equal to A is equal to 1 by 2, 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. So from the image I can take the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So I have substituted it and you can use the calculator for solving this A matrix. So you can use determinant of matrix A in the calculator to find the solution. Okay, so that is equal to 5 mm square. Then the beta equation. So we know that beta 1 is equal to y2 minus y3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Similarly, gamma is equal to, so here if it is y2 minus y3, then here it will be x3 minus x2. So here 3 minus 1, so it is 1 minus 3. Then 1 minus 2, so it is 2 minus 1. So I know all the values, all the coordinates values, so I can substitute it and I can calculate the values of beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, then gamma 1, gamma 2 and gamma 3. So now I have substituted everything in the B equation. So this is my B matrix. So once after calculating the B matrix, I can go into the general equation, that is E is equal to B into U and E is Ex, Ey and gamma xy. Okay, fine. So this is my B matrix and here I have substituted the values of U, that is U1, V1, U2, V2 and U3, V3. So be clear about the units. Here I am solving all the units in mm. So the u values I have substituted in mm, and all the coordinates, that is x and y values, are given in the image as mm. Okay, so have a look at that. So here all the units are given in mm. Fine. So now you can multiply this. So this is a 6 cross 1 matrix. I mean 3 cross 6 matrix, and this is a 6 cross 1 matrix. So you cannot use calculator. So you have to calculate the matrix multiplication manually. So we know the matrix multiplication. So first multiply this row with this column and write it here. Then multiply the second row with this column and write it here. Then multiply the third row with the column and write it here. So you will get Ex is equal to 0.0001, Ey is equal to 0.0028, and gamma xy is equal to minus 0.0039. So Ex is normal strain in x direction, Ey is normal strain in y direction, and gamma xy is the shear strain. Okay, so this is the overall problem, and it is very simple. Only you have to remember this equation. So E is equal to B into U, and we know how to calculate the B matrix, because in the previous problem itself we have already calculated the B value. So only thing, you have to multiply the B with the U vector and you have to calculate the strain values. Okay, fine. So this is the tutorial problem. Calculate the element strains for the element shown in figure. The nodal displacements are given. So U1, V1. So here V1 is given in negative. Then U2, V2, U3 and V3. So this is the given CST element. So this is X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and here it is X3 and Y3. Okay. So you can refer the classwork problem. This is same as the previous problem. You can refer it and you can solve it. So remember, the equation is E is equal to B into U, and the U is U1, V1, U2, V2, U3 and V3. Since we have 6 degrees of freedom, you will have a 6 cross 1 matrix. Okay. So the answer is Ex is equal to 5.38 into 10 power minus 4 mm, Ey is equal to 1.46 into 10 power minus 3 mm, and gamma xy is 3.589 into 10 power minus 4 mm. So you can verify your solution.